Hello, welcome to my channel. What is engine power reduction? Engine power reduction means that your vehicle's engine has been damaged due to excessive use. This can occur if you are driving too fast over rough roads or through potholes. If this happens, then your car's engine may not have enough power to turn the wheels. In today's video, we'll be discussing engine power reduction causes and how to fix them. But, before we proceed, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Causes of engine power reduction issues. 1. Engine oil is used to lubricate the moving parts of your car's engine. If the engine oil becomes contaminated with water, dirt, or other impurities, then the engine may not run properly. 2. Air filter, it removes dirt particles from the air before they enter the engine. A clogged air filter can reduce airflow through the engine, causing less oxygen to reach the combustion chamber. 3. Spark plugs, these are small metal cylinders that help create a spark to ignite fuel in the combustion chambers. They are located at each cylinder head and are responsible for igniting the mixture of gasoline and air inside the engine. Some reasons engine power is reduced in GMC. 1. The reason engine power is reduced in GMC is that the engine was not properly maintained. If your vehicle has been sitting for a long time without being driven, then the spark plugs may have become corroded. 2. Engine not running properly, if your engine does not start at all, then it could be due to a faulty ignition switch. In order to determine whether this is the case, you need to turn off the engine and check the position of the ignition switch. 3. Fuel system problems, another possible reason for engine power reduced GMC would be fuel system problems. A malfunctioning fuel filter could prevent the proper flow of fuel into the engine. To fix this issue, you should replace the filter. 4. Throttle plate sticking open, if your engine's throttle plate sticks open, then the amount of air entering the cylinder will decrease. This causes less compression and, therefore, lower horsepower. In order to fix this problem, you'll need to replace the throttle plate assembly. 5. Throttle body damage, a damaged throttle body can cause the same issue as a stuck throttle plate. When the throttle body is damaged, the amount of air flowing through the system decreases, causing less compression and thus lower engine power. To repair this, you'll need to have the throttle body replaced. So, how do you fix the engine power reduction? 1. Check your spark plugs. Spark plug wires are not only used to provide electrical current to the ignition system, but they can also help maintain proper airflow into the combustion chamber. 2. Replace the air filter. If you have a dirty air filter, this could cause low engine power. 3. Change the oil. Changing your oil will ensure that your engine runs smoothly. You should change your oil at least once a year. 4. Clean carburetor. The carburetor is responsible for mixing the right amount of fuel and air together before entering the engine. Ways you can fix engine power issues in a Toyota car. 1. Check your air filter. The first thing that should be checked is the air filter. If the air filter is clogged, then this could cause the problem. You can check if the air filter is clogged by looking at the oil level. If the oil level is low, then you know that the air filter has been clogged. 2. Check the spark plugs. If the spark plugs are not working properly, this could cause a reduction in engine power. To check if the spark plugs are working correctly, turn off the ignition switch and remove the spark plug wires from the terminals. Then, look at the spark plugs to make sure they are sparking. If they are not sparking, then you know that something is wrong with them. 3. Clean the throttle body. Another possible reason for a reduction in engine power is the throttle body. This is where the fuel mixture is metered into the combustion chamber. If the throttle body is dirty, then this could cause problems. You can clean the throttle body by using a wire brush. 4. Replace the gas cap. Remove the gas cap from your Toyota. Place a piece of paper towel over the hole. Put some rubbing alcohol on the paper towel. Allow it to sit for about 5 minutes. Replace the gas cap. Can I drive with engine power reduction? The answer is yes, but only if you are driving a car that has a manual transmission. If your vehicle has an automatic transmission, then you can't use the clutch pedal at all. You'll have to shift gears manually. However, you may want to consider using a different type of fuel, like electric or biodiesel. These types of fuels do not produce carbon emissions, but they are required. How to reset the reduced engine power light. 1. Turn off the ignition switch. 2. Remove the key from the ignition lock cylinder. 3. If the engine has been running for some time, turn the engine over manually by cranking the starter motor until the engine starts. 4. Wait at least 30 seconds before attempting to start the vehicle again. 5. Resetting the reduced engine power light may not solve the issue. Please contact your dealer or service center if this does not work. How much does it cost to fix the engine power reduced? The answer would depend on how many parts are needed to fix the problem. If only one part needs fixing, then the cost would be around $100 to $200. How to reset engine power reduced indicator light. 1. Turn off the ignition switch. 2. Press and hold the brake pedal until the brake lights come on. 3. Release the brake pedal. 4. Wait about 30 seconds before releasing the clutch. 5. When the engine turns over, release the clutch. 6. After the engine has started, press the gas pedal to accelerate. 7. If the indicator light comes back on, repeat steps 1 to 6. If the indicator light does not return after repeating these steps, contact your dealer or service center. In conclusion, the reason engine power reductions are common is that they are caused by the loss of compression due to a lack of air intake. This can happen if the throttle plate sticks open or if the throttle body has been damaged. If this happens, the amount of air entering the cylinders will decrease, causing less compression and, therefore, lowering the engine power. I hope you find the information in this video to be helpful. Remember to click the subscribe button. Thank you.